Hello everybody, this is Ashley with Publish with Ashley, and on my channel I like to talk about KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing, marketing your books, digital products, selling things online. So if those are things you're interested in, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And today we're going to talk about my income report for Kindle Direct Publishing for February of 2022. So without further ado, let's go see how much I made. All right, here is my income report for February 2022, and you can see that I made $2,200.94. I almost wish I would have made like 22 cents or 2022 or something like that. That would have been pretty cool. Now, this isn't all profit, but it's mostly profit. I do advertise, so let me show you what my advertising expenses are. Here's my advertising cost, and it was $212.71. And actually, that was fairly high for me in February. I usually try monthly to be about $150. Over November and December, it's definitely higher because that Q4 season, I'm definitely spending more because there's more buyers out there. But over the year, I pretty much average somewhere about $150. But you can see that I spent $212, and my ACoS was 19.41%, which is fairly high for me. I've been advertising a lot of my spring, summer type books. That's kind of early to advertise some of the summer books, but I do like to advertise them, and so the advertising cost tends to be a little higher because you get a few more clicks and not necessarily purchases. But I like to start advertising the summer stuff kind of early because people put things in their wish lists. All right, that brings my total of how much I made overall, the $2,294 minus the advertising cost of, I made $1,988.23 in February. So I think that's pretty good. It's not my best month ever, but it is February and things start to pick up. If you have a lot of Valentine's Day books, those do tend to do really well in February. I don't have very many, I just have a few. So I only made a few sales on those. But I have a lot of stuff that starts to pick up in the spring and summer, so I am looking forward to March, April, May, and June and July. All right, I hope this was really helpful for you. I usually make these videos to inspire you to see that you can make a pretty good amount with KDP and Kindle Direct publishing books if you put some effort into it. This is not something I do full time. I do this when I have time. I create books as I have ideas, and I think this is something that anyone can learn, and it does maybe take some time depending on your skill sets that you already have, but it is something that I think everyone has the ability to do. So don't be discouraged if you're not making this month one or anything like this. I've been doing this for a while, and you know, I make a pretty consistent income, and that really makes me happy. And then I just enjoy the process of creating books, and I want to help you enjoy the process as well. And you get to make some money from it. All right, thank you so much. Remember to please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I would love to have you all back here for all of my videos. I do a live on Wednesday at noon Eastern time, so please come join me if you have questions.